Open it and then teeny. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and for today's video guys, we're going to unboxing, review and testing this BaByliss Paris Curl Secret 2 auto curl technology, defined curls and soft curls volume. So this is ceramic 190 Celsius to 230 Celsius. Okay, so we will do unboxing. So yeah, so I bought this one. It was 2018 guys, and I have very short hair like this, and I have a toddler as well, so I want to win more time, you know, like whenever we go outside I have to prepare my two kids, and after I have to prepare myself as well, because I don't want to look like, you know, I have two kids and I forgot myself. So, you know, I want to look presentable even I have two kids. Don't forget yourself, moms out there, okay, even you have kids. And so yeah, so this is the BaByliss Curl Secret 2. Has the two accessories, okay, so I'm gonna take out. Okay, so this is the 35 millimeter. So this one it will help you to have a soft volume curls, okay, and this one 25 millimeter. So this one, it will give you a defined curl. So later on we're going to try the two so you can see the difference, okay. So this is the BaByliss without the accessories, and now I'm gonna put the 35 millimeter so you just guys see the final look. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Well, it's quite long, okay, so I don't know how meter. 1, 2, 3. Actually it's a 3 meter guys. Okay, so the cable is quite long, so even you are far from the socket you can use this one. So I'm gonna put it. So make sure guys you have to put it good so you can hear the... No, it's not good. Look at this guys, there is a space, so you have really to put good, because if not it will not work. Okay, yeah, before it's not like that, so you have to make sure that all is close. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the three buttons here. Okay, not button, I don't know how do you call this. Okay, so there is a three option here guys: right, left, or automatic left and right. Okay, and second is the beep. Okay, so this is the acoustic signal, so later you can you will hear the sounds that I'm talking about here. This one is the on and off button. So 0 is off, 1 is 190 Celsius, and the third is 230 Celsius. So you just have to off 190 or 230 Celsius. Okay, so you can see it's beeping guys. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. So it's very easy to use because you just have to press it. It will automatically 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so because it was on the third, so it was on the third. So if you want 5 seconds, you just have, so it means it's ready. You just have to let the machine open. It will give you a nice loop. So yeah, it depends how many seconds you want to set your curl secret to. Okay, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, or 6 seconds. Okay, so now I'm ready to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you with my short hair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this, and later on we will try the 25 millimeter. So this one will give you a soft volume curls. So the position of this guys, it should be in front of you. You should read the Curl Secret 35 millimeter. Okay, not like this, not like this, like this. Okay, so you just have to put here the hair, okay, and then it depends on you where do you want to start. Okay, so I'm gonna start here and then I'm gonna press it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it's ready, so I'll open it and then ding! Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Look at the little. Can you see, guys? So cute. Look at this. Oh, it has a nice curl. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. So later on I'm gonna try this one. Later on I'm gonna tell you guys the advantage and disadvantages of this. I'm scared a little bit. It's quite hot, but not too much hot. It's okay. I'm gonna turn off first. Okay. Okay, so it's easy to take out, guys. And then I'm gonna put 25mm. Just make sure that it will give you a nice click. Okay, so that's perfect. I turn it on, guys, to 230 Celsius. This is the soft curls volume, guys, from Curl Secret 2, the 35mm. Okay. Ah, it's so nice. Okay. So imagine, guys, if you're going somewhere, if you just need to be curl in front of you, you just have to take this one and give you a nice curls. Just have to wait this one, guys, to stop. Okay, so it means it's ready. And now I'm gonna try the 25mm, guys, so you guys can see. So remember, you have to face the Curl Secret. So the hair like this, and then we're gonna go. Are you guys ready? I'm excited. Ooh, did you see, guys, the difference of the two? Well, it's so nice. So this one is a defined curls, so it has a small curls, and this one soft volume curls. So you guys have to decide which one would you like to have whenever you use this Curl Secret too. Okay, so yeah. So I will not try all my hair, but that's the result, guys. And now, guys, I'm gonna tell you my opinion about this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so very easy. So my opinion about this. Okay, so I continue my story a while ago. So I bought this one because my main reason is to help me to win more time. So did Curl Secret to help me. Okay, so honest opinion about this is it doesn't help me. Why? Because I cannot put more than this. Okay, you just have to put little by little, guys, because if you put like this, it will not accept, or it will accept but it will stop, and you have to pull your hair. Okay, so it can cause damage to your hair, you know. So I don't really want to damage my hair because of this. So yeah, it did not help me to win more time, but I love the result, guys. I love the result. All in all, it's really great. It's just it doesn't help me with my problem a few years ago. But I really love the result, guys. As you can see, it's really nice. Okay, now, guys, let's talk about the advantages of this automatic curls. So this one is automatic, so it means it's easy to use. You know, you don't have to do it by yourself, like using curling iron, straightening iron to curl your hair. So this one, you just have to put your hair here and it will work for you. It gives you a nice curls. It gives you an same curls if you want right, all right. If you want left, all left. if you want right and left, so it's not the same curls every time. So I think that's great, you know. This one will not hurt you. I mean, you know, like normal curling iron, guys, it can hurt you, it can burn you, you know, it can burn your ear, it can burn your hands, you know. So this one, it will not burn you, guys. You just have to, just not too much, you know, just a little bit centimeter, so just to protect your skin from the heat. That's great. It's amazing. It has a two head, so you can use which one do you prepare. Okay, so if you prepare volume, okay, so volume curls. If you prepare defined curls, small curls, or long curls, so it's up to you guys which length do you want to use. Okay, so it depends on the party, you know, like you want to look like class, you want to look like a little bit naughty. You know what I mean. I highly recommend this, guys, for the people who have a short hair, because it's not enough. I think it's not enough to have a long hair, because, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna take out this one. So it's only this. Okay, so if you have a long hair, guys, it's for me it's not enough. So I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. So yeah, okay, I'm scared. Okay, but I'm gonna try it for you guys. I'm scared to damage my hair, but of course for this vlog I will do. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Just okay, no, okay. I'm scared. I'm really scared because I really take care of my hair. So if you guys want to have you want more hair tips like this, you can. So I'm gonna try it for you guys. Okay, oh, it's working. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Okay. But the thing is, you cannot put more than that, guys. Like, for example, you cannot put like this. Cannot put, no, I think it's still okay, this one. But you cannot put like this. Okay, you cannot put like this. You have to take little by little. Okay, if you don't want to hurt yourself or stuck your hair inside. Okay, but it's cool. Look at this, guys. It was nice. It was nice. Wow, so nice. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how many hair like this I have to do, because I have a long hair. I have a quite thick hair, so like then I don't know how many, you know. This one is already 10 times I have to repeat, so 10, like I don't know how many times. So that's why I said, okay, so this will not save your time as what I expect, but it's really give you a nice curls, guys, and it's really easy to use. So yeah, look at this. It's so nice, right? Look. Well, that's the advantage of this. That's the only thing that I don't want, is it doesn't help me. Voila, c'est tout. That's all. But all in all, this one is a great product from BaByliss Paris. So if you guys want to have this, you can I can link on the description box, guys, where you can find this, so it's easily for you to find it. So if you have a long patience, and if you have a long if you have so much time for you, so you can try. So it's very easy to use, guys. I love it. Okay, and one more thing, disadvantage is this one is a curling iron, so it can damage your hair. So don't use this one every day, you know, or every time you use this one you have to use anything that can protect your hair. But a while ago I already did. So I use this one, guys, from Evershade. This one is like botanical balm, fine dry damaged hair. So this one I always use this one every time I blow dry my hair or exposing my hair to heat, you know. So I highly recommend this. It's very nice and it smells really good. And yeah, it's really take out the tangles, you know. Blow dry my hair, I use this one. After blowing dry my hair, I still use just to give shine to my hair, you know. So yes, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye. Woo. They're so cute.